Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters, and welcome to Quran and Islam. We hope you're preparing well for Akhirah. Hazrat Adam alayhi salam and Hazrat Hawa alayhi salam were sent to the earth from the heavens. Earth is not our first home. Allah says in the Quran, "We said, go down from it, all of you. And when guidance comes to you from me, whoever follows my guidance, there will be no fear concerning them, nor will they grieve. And those who disbelieve and deny our signs, those will be companions of the fire. They will abide therein eternally." Dr. Ellis Silver is a non-Muslim scientist who has just released a book called "Humans Are Not From the Earth." Not for Muslims, but for the rest of the world, it is quite amazing. Nobody has challenged the arguments Dr. Ellis has given. Can you imagine the conclusion of this book? Dr. Silver argued that humans are not made to live on this planet. This is not our home. We have come from somewhere else. Dr. Silver has given several arguments in this case. He says that humans suffer from bad backs because they evolved in a world with lower gravity. It is strange that babies' heads are so large and make it difficult for women to give birth, which is why mothers and babies die in the process. No other native species on this planet has this problem. He also believes humans are not designed to be as exposed to the sun as they are on Earth, as they cannot sunbathe for more than a week or two, unlike a lizard, and cannot be exposed to the sun every day without problems. Bizarrely, he believes Earth could actually be some kind of galactic jail. The Earth might be a prison planet since we seem to be a naturally violent species and we're here until we learn to behave ourselves, he added. Do you remember what Prophet Muhammad ﷺ has said about this world? The world is a prison for the believer and a paradise for the unbeliever. Dr. Ellis has argued that humans were not originally created to live on this planet. They used to live at a place where the sun was not this bright, where he did not have to work this hard for food. In fact, food would come to him. He was taller there, but as this creation began living on Earth, his height shortened due to the effects of gravity. According to some sleep researchers, also, man needs more sleep than he takes in this world. Also, his system is made for a day longer than just 24 hours. Let's compare this with the creation of this planet, who were made for this planet. You see, animals seem to have no back problems or stroke or sunburn issues with the bright sun. They have been made for this. They do not have to work hard for food. We humans, on the other hand, have to first earn food and then cook it so that our stomachs are able to digest it and escape disease. Aren't we the only creation who needs a soft surface to sleep on? Animals, on the other hand, can sleep anywhere on the ground. The DNA and genes of this creature, the human, is different from all other living things on this planet. Every animal knows which climate he needs to live in, and its body fully adapts to any change in the weather. Man has to use fans, air conditioners, heaters, thick or thin clothes to adjust to the weather changes. Despite doing all of this, he still falls ill when the weather changes. No other creature on this planet has the mental sophistication that man has. All other animals are violent and brainless, and they kill each other for survival. Where man used to live, everything was available in abundance, and he barely had to use fight and violence to fulfill his bare needs. We see so many people experiencing depression and sadness despite having everything in life. He feels out of place, as if this is not his real home. Have you ever felt that? Do you think other creatures also experience the same sadness and depression? Brothers and sisters, don't we know that the Quran has already told us that our real home is the life after this life? Allah says in the Quran, "Say, God causes you to live, then causes you to die. Then He will assemble you for the day of resurrection, about which there is no doubt." Science is slowly reaching where Islam had put us Muslims thousands of years ago. It doesn't really matter to the believers when science proves what part of the Quran. We already believe each and every word of the Quran. All that should concern us is our deeds in this world. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.